Hi, my name is Laura and I'm going to be through hiking the Appalachian Trail in 2023. So today I am actually going to be practicing throwing my bear bag, bear line, bear hang, whatever you want to call it, for the first time ever. Gonna be interesting. I have watched a few videos on how to do this, so hopefully watching those videos helped me. I've read a few articles, hopefully reading those few articles helped me. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. So we hit a little bit of a snag. I did not put enough weight in the bear bag and it is stuck up there. What do I do? So I think I'm just gonna try to pull it over the branch. That was an epic fail. I just cannot. I went and got scissors. I feel like my only solution is to cut this bad boy down. And I guess that made my decision for me of what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, this is comical to me, so comical. Okay, so cutting it with scissors did not work. The only other thing I think I can do is bring the ladder down there and try to reach it from the branch. I'm not so worried about the line as I'm worried about leaving the bear bag hanging up there. So as long as I can get the bear bag down, I think I'll be good. I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'll bring my phone with me so you guys can see me trying to do this, but I won't be able to carry my camera and my ladder. Wish me luck. Well, she's forever stuck in the tree. I can't get her out. I tried the ladder, couldn't get her to budge. I even stood up on the ladder and like tried to throw rocks at it. Couldn't get it to budge. So I guess that makes my decision for me. This is a waste. I can still keep the rucksack as an extra rucksack, but I will definitely have to be ordering a food bag. And I was debating whether I wanted to get the larger Z-Packs bear hanging bag or like a different brand so that it would be bigger than the one that I have. And I guess that made my decision for me. So I guess I'll be ordering the larger bag from Z-Packs. Also, if anyone knows how to get a bear bag that was stuck over a branch, it's a branch and then there's like two little branches like this sticking up from the branch and it's like stuck in between that. So if anyone knows how to get that down, please let me know, because otherwise it's going to be a mystery in my neighborhood forever. People are going to be wondering about it for 1,000 years. What is that doing up in the tree? Or maybe a squirrel will knock it down. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it on my runs and see if it ever gets knocked down. Oh my gosh. This will be our little secret. No one needs to know, right? I mean, like, leave no trace and all, but like, I've tried everything I can do to get it down, like beyond getting a like 50-foot ladder. Like, I don't know how else to get it down. And like, I just thought of another thing. Is it because the bag was too light, that's why it got stuck? Or was it because it was between those two branches and the line got stuck? Like, what do you do if your bag is too light? You just have to throw like extra gear in there to help weigh it down, or like what? I need help. Well, the roomie and I brought the broom, brought the ladder, and we somehow got it down from the tree. You guys can see here, it like started to fray up and stuff. So it wasn't coming down. There was no way it was coming down without that broom. So happy she was able to help me get it down. I already ordered a new bear bag though, and I think I'm gonna use this as my clothes bag then. Well, as you guys can see, this was a big fail. I did not successfully hang a bear bag. And honestly, I don't really want to go back out and try again because I'm afraid right now that it's gonna get stuck again. I'm just gonna let it be for now. We're just gonna let it be. We'll try again another day. If you guys have any tips for me on how to not get my bear bag stuck up in a tree, let me know. Give me all your tips. I'm sure you guys have plenty of things to say because, you know, this was an epic fail. Be kind, be kind. I know, I'm not the best at it. Next week, I'm going to be finally introducing you guys to my hiking partner. I've written out some questions to ask her, so she's going to have like a mini little interview, a little introduction to who she is. We're gonna meet on Google Meet. I'm gonna record the whole thing so you guys can see our full conversation, so that'll be fun. You guys will get to finally be introduced to who I'm gonna be hiking the full AT with. Super fun. So if you don't want to miss that and finally get formally introduced to my thru hiking partner, definitely subscribe. So I guess I will see you guys next week. Bye.